How to add profile picture frame on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a frame to your profile picture on Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Facebook app. Then tap on menu in the top right corner here. And then tap on your name. And then tap on your profile picture, and here you will see the add frame option. Tap on it, and here you will see all of the suggested frames by Facebook. If you want to see only frames by Facebook, tap here, and here you will see all of the frames by Facebook. And here if you tap on flags, here you will see all of the frames of country flags. So for example, if you want to add this frame to your profile picture, tap on it, and here you will get the options to make it temporary, edit frame, and say something about your profile picture, add other frames to your profile picture here. And if you want to share this frame with your profile picture on your newsfeed, you can check this box. If you don't want to share your profile picture with this frame on your newsfeed, you can uncheck this box. And to save your profile picture with this frame, you have to tap on save in the top right corner here. Tap it, and your profile picture is saved with that frame. So this is how you can add a frame to your profile picture on your Facebook app. Thanks for watching.